Very good morning everyone. Today in this class we'll be learning about very easy and very tough chapter. This is tough for those who has really very bad common sense. This chapter is all about common sense. If you can understand the question well, the terminologies well, or if you have a common sense, you can easily solve the questions. There is nothing much, tricks or conceptual clarity over here. It is basic mathematics, basic arithmetic. But most of the students fail over here. 95% students fail in this chapter. But don't worry, I am right here. I will make it as simple as possible so that you understand each and everything. Okay, now understand this. First thing you remember, race is part of what? Time, speed, and distance. Yes or no? That means the whole race thing will be revolving around these three terminologies. Yes or no? Yes. Now, first thing, sir, we know speed is equal to distance by time. Yes or no? Yes. Now, if I say there are two individuals, A and B, A and B, they are running for the same time for an example 5 hours. They both are running for 5 hours. That means what will happen? For A the time is same, for B the time is same. If denominator is same, whichever will run for more distance. That means for an example, if I say in 5 hour A runs 5 kilometer, B runs 3 kilometer. Who has better speed? Whose speed is higher? You will definitely say, sir, A speed is higher, because for the same time, if A is running more distance, that means A speed is higher than other person. Yes or no? Yes. This means in terms of race, if time is same slash constant, ratio of distance is equal to ratio of speed. That means when I say in 5 hour A runs 5 kilometer, B runs 3 kilometer, so this is what, this is their distance. That means the ratio of distance is equal to ratio of speed. Clear? This is what I am talking about. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? So first thing, you should be able to remember that when time is constant, ratio of distance is equal to ratio of speed. See, I will not be taking so much time and wasting your precious time over here. I will only stick to the basics and I will get you everything required. Thing done. Second concepts. Sir, what happens when distance is same? That means for an example here I say they both are running a distance of 2 kilometer. Now A runs 2 kilometer in 1.5 hour. B runs 2 kilometer distance in 2 hour. So who is running faster? So here whoever takes lesser time, that means I am running 2 hours in 1 hour 30 minutes. You are running 2 kilometer in 2 hours. So who is faster? I am faster. So if distance is same or distance is constant, whichever is taking less time, his speed will be more. That means here more speed, here less speed. Yes or no? First thing clear. Now what I have told you, if distance is equal to constant, distance in same both cases, what we know? Sir, we know distance is equal to speed into time. Yes or no, sir? Yes. Sir, if time ratio is 1.5 to 2, then distance ratio will be, sorry, speed ratio will be 2 is to 1.5, because 1.5 into 3, 2 into 1.5 is equal to 3. So what is the distance they are covering? They are covering 3 kilometer distance in 1.5 hour by A, 2 hour by B. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? That means if I have to write this whole thing technically, see, the time of A now comes to where? Here. The time of B comes here. Here. This means if I have to write this in the technical terminology, what it will be? If distance is constant or same, then time 1 is to time 2. T1 is equal to time 1 is to time 2 is equal to speed 2 is to speed 1, or you can understand it this way in the language, ratio of time is equal to 1 by ratio of speed. Clear? That means the time taken by A is equal to 1 by speed taken by B. Same, time taken by B is equal to 1 by speed of B. Now TA is to TB will be speed of B is to speed of A. Clear? This is the second most important fact or theory you need to understand here, because through this we will be solving a lot of questions. Two things done. Third thing, sir, we know time, we know distance equal. What happens when speed is equal? Just a minute, sir. When speed is equal, or you can say same or constant for both, in that particular case, distance is known as what? Sir, distance is known as speed multiplied by time. Now if speed is same in both the cases, that means ratio of distance is equal to ratio of time. Clear? So this is the third most important concept you need to understand. I hope I do not need to help you understand this. Sorted? Yes or no? Yes. Now there are few terminologies that you understand, or you can say the types that has been used. Okay, so first thing is known as dead hit. I don't think this color is suitable, so let me change. Dead hit. What is dead hit? Dead hit means if A and B are running from this point, okay, then they reach the end point. This is the starting point, this is the ending point. If they reach the end point at the same time, exactly at the same time, or with exactly same result, then this will be known as dead hit. If two friends are running together from point A to B and they are reaching both the points together at the same time, then it will be known as dead hit. Clear? Second, for an example, in a race of 1 kilometer is discussed. Okay, in a race of 1 kilometer, A wins the race by 100 meter. That means what? This means between A and B. Okay, so in a race of 1 kilometer between A and B, if A wins the race by 100 meter, that means A run for 1000 meter and B run for 900 meter. Yes or no? That means the ratio of distance ratio is 1000 is to 900, double zero crossed out, so it can be written as 10 is to 9, and the ratio of speed will be equal to 10 is to 9. Yes or no? Yes, sorted. Next, A beats or defeats B by 100 meter. It is the same case. If A defeats or beats the B by 100 meter, it is same as A wins the race by 100 meter. Clear? If it is written as B loses by 100 meter, it is same as A run 1000 meter, B run 900 meter, because he is losing by 100 meter. When A reaches, let's say this is start point, this is end point. When A starts and reach 100 meter, 1000 meter, B reaches 900 meter. This is A, this is B. This is the difference between 100 meter. Clear? And fourth term, it can be B runs 100 meter less than A. That means A won the race by 100 meter. Clear? Most very important terminologies I am telling you. Understand this clearly. These things will come in the questions. We'll be solving these, and once you understand all this, it will be much easier for you to process those things and act faster. Clear? Yes or no? Next, if it is a race of 1 kilometer between A and B, yes or no? Now, first thing it says A wins the race by 5 seconds. This means what? For an example, here A starts running. A takes T minutes to reach point Q. This is P, this is Q. A reaches Q point in T minutes. B will take how long? Sir, A is winning the race by 5 seconds. That means from P to Q, B will take T plus 5 minutes or seconds, whatever it is given. Here it is given seconds. So let's say A runs for T second, then B will run for T plus 5 second. Clear? Very basic thing. Yes or no? Clear. Now, if it says A beats or defeats B by 5 seconds, this means A takes T second, B will take T plus 5 seconds. Same thing as A wins the race by 5 seconds. Clear? Now, if it says like this, B loses the race by 5 seconds, that means if A runs for T second, B will be running for T plus 5 seconds. Now, if B takes 5 seconds more than A to complete the race, then it is same as A wins by 5 seconds. Now understand this. Here when we are saying all this, you see we are discussing about what? We are discussing about this point, right? P to Q. Same P to Q. That means distance is constant over here. Yes or no? And what I have told you, sir, if distance is constant over here, sir, if distance is constant over here, then what will be the ratio? T1 by T2 is equal to reciprocal of speed. That means if time ratio is equal to T is to T plus 5, then speed ratio here will be T plus 5 is to T, because it is reciprocal of time. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Clear? So this is one of the most important part. Remember this. These two are very, very crucial to understand. Now, what I have told you, I will keep everything as simple as possible. This is my trademark, my way of understanding math. We should go step by step, one word by one word, one line by one line, and it will be in these 3 months, it will be so, engaging for you. You do not need any tricks for every chapter. That is why I am trying to build you through this course. Okay, so let's understand one more thing. Sir, it is saying in a race of 1 kilometer, what it is saying, if it is a race of 1 kilometer and A gives a start of 100 meter, that means, for an example, here P, here Q. Okay, the distance between P and Q is 800 meter. Okay, now A will start from here. A gives a start of 100 meter to B. That means B will stand 100 meter ahead of A. So what is the distance? 100 meter. That means A has to run for 800 meter. B has to run for 700 meter. This means what? A has to run for an example, here we are talking about 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. B has to run for 1 kilometer minus 100 meter head start, which is equal to 900 meter. Clear? This was an example I have quoted you. If this is the distance between them and someone is giving this much head start, then what is the distance he will be covering? Here, if A gives a start of 100 meter, that means B will be running this much. Or if it is written as A can give a start of 100 meter, this means same as this. Clear? This means what? Sir, here what is happening? Sir, here A is running for 1000 meter. Sir, B is running for 900 meter. Sir, what is the ratio of distance? Sir, distance ratio is 10:9. Sir, here they are running for the same time because the time for which A started the same time B is starting from here, yes or no? Now for the same time, when the time is constant, so the ratio of distance is equal to ratio of speed. Clear? Yes or no? Sir, A can run 22.5 meter while B runs 25 meter in a 25 meter. Sir, when A is running 22.5 meter, B is running 25 meter. Yes or no? That means the time is here same, because here what it is saying, A run this meter while B runs this meter. That means, sir, the ratio of distance is equal to ratio of speed. Sir, if I have to divide it by 25, sir, 25.9 is equal to 225, 25.5 is equal to 25.1 is equal to 25. Sir, this can be written as 9. Decimal I am taking out. 9 is to 10. Sir, the ratio of speed is what? Sir, 9 is to 10. That means when B is running 10 meter, A will be running 9 meter. Here what it's saying, in a race of 1 kilometer, B beats A. See, if B runs 1000 meter, 10 part is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 part will be equal to 10,000 by 10. 0, 0 comes out, which is equal to 100 meter. So 9 part, and here it is 10 part. What is the difference? The difference is 1 part, sir. That means B is winning this race by 1 part, and 1 part is equal to what? 100 meter. So B is beating A by 100 meter. Sorted. Next. In a kilometer race, A beats B by 10 meter. Sir, B 1 kilometer race, that means A is running because A is beating B. So if A runs 100 meter, B is running 10 meter less than this, that means 100,000 minus 10, that is equal to 990 meter. Yes or no? What is the sir, what is the ratio, sir? 0 0 crossed out. 100 is to 99 is the ratio. Now in a 2 kilometer race, A beats B by C. This is very basic unitary mathematics. If in 1 kilometer it is defeating B by 10 meter, in 2 kilometer it will be defeating B by 2 into 10, that is equal to 20 meter. So what is the answer? 20 meter is the answer. These are what? These are the CGL and NTPC questions that I am helping you solve. Next. James and Bond are running in a race of 1000 meter. That means what? Sir, distance, total distance of this race is 1000 meter. Due to the old age of Bond, James gave a start of 100 meter but won the race by 10 seconds. See, here what is happening? James winning the race by 10 seconds. For an example, Ram and Shyam are running. Ram takes 30 seconds to run and wins over Shyam by 10 seconds. That means after this 30 seconds, for this 30 seconds, Shyam was also running. Yes or no? Shyam was also running for this 30 seconds, but Ram won over 10 seconds means Ram reached the place 10 seconds before Shyam. Ram reached the place 10 seconds before Shyam. That means how long Shyam will be running, sir? 30 seconds plus this 10 seconds, that is equal to 40 seconds to reach that position. Yes or no? So the same way here it is saying James is winning the race by 10 seconds. That means Bond will take James time plus 10 seconds to reach the destination. Yes or no? Now James is giving a head start of 100 meter. That means, for an example, this is the race P and Q. This is the distance of 1000 meter. James started from here. Bond has been given 100 meter advantage. 100 meter, Bond is 100 meter ahead of James, and then they will start running towards the point that is Q. Okay, now it is said the speed of James is what? 72 kilometer. Sir, speed of James is equal to 72 kilometer. Everything is in meter per second. So I will write 72 into 5 by 18. 18 for the 72. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 meter per second. Sir, James is running 1000 meter with a speed of 20 meter per second. So what will be the time taken? Time by James is equal to 1000 divided by 20. 0 0 crossed out. 2 5 does 10 0. That is 50 seconds. Sir, if James takes 50 seconds to reach this destination, then time taken by Bond will be 50 plus 10. That is equal to 60 seconds. Now Bond will take 60 seconds to reach what? Bond will take 60 seconds to reach Q. So what is the distance Bond covering? He is already 100 meter ahead. So the distance he is covering is 1000 meter minus 100, that is 900 meter. So Bond's speed is equal to the distance covered 900 meter divided by 60 seconds. 0 0 crossed out. 6 15s are 90. Sir, the Bond speed is 15 by meter per second. But here everything is in kilometers, so I will multiply 18 by 5. Sir, 5 3s are 15. 3 into 18 is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. See, this is a very good level of questions, but we solved it easily because we know the basic language. Clear? Next. In a 1 kilometer linear race, B beats Q by 120 meters or 30 seconds. What it is saying? Sir, this is a linear race. Here it is, let's say this point is A, this point is B. P starts from here, reaches here. Q starts from here and reaches that point. What I am saying? P starts from here and reaches 120 meter less than or 120 meter behind of the point P, because for the same time P is reaching here and it is beating Q by 120 meter or 30 second or 30 second. See, whenever a question is written like this, A beats B by X meter and here or 30 second, this means speed of B is equal to, so in order to cover this distance, B will take how long time? 30 seconds. So B is equal to X by T meter per second. Here what is X? Sir, X is equal to 120 meter. So speed of B is equal to 120 meter divided by time 30 second. Sir, 34 is 120, so speed of B is 4 meter per second. Now, sir, time taken by B will be equal to total distance B is covering, that is 1000 meter with a speed of 4 meter per second. Sir, 250 is equal to 250 is equal to what? 1000. So 250 second will be taken by B, but P is beating Q. Here it is P and Q. Okay, so P is beating Q by 30 seconds. That means P is reaching the point B before 30 seconds. So the time taken by P will be equal to 250 minus 30 seconds because it is reaching before 30 seconds, which is equal to 220 seconds. Answer is 220 seconds. Clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Got it? Next. In a race of 1000 meter, A beats by B by 25 meter or 5 seconds. Time taken by A to complete the race. Sir, speed of B is to be calculated. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, first thing, the distance X is equal to 25 meter, time 5 seconds, which is equal to 5 meter per second. Yes or no? Now, sir, if speed of B is 5 meter per second, the distance is 1000 meter. Time taken by B is equal to what? Sir, time taken by B is equal to 1000 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 00, that is 200 seconds. Now what it is saying, sir, A beating B by 5 seconds. That means A takes 5 seconds less than B. So time taken by A is equal to 200 minus 5, which is equal to 195 seconds. Option B. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? This is how you can directly solve the questions. Clear? Next. Sir, P gives Q a head start of 2 seconds in a 400 meter race. In a 400 meter race. Okay. This means what? But both finishes the race at the same time. But both finishes the race in the same time. That means, for an example, this is point A, this is point B. P starts, Q starts. Okay. P gives Q a head start of 2 seconds. That means Q starts 2 seconds ahead of 2 seconds before A. Or if Q runs for a T second, P will be running for T minus 2 seconds. Clear? Basic thing? Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, what is happening here? Find the time taken by P to finish the race if the speed of Q is 2 meter per second. Sir, time of Q is equal to distance, total distance 400 meter divided by its speed 2 meter per second. 200 is equal to 400. That means Q takes 200 seconds. Now, P is beating Q by 2 seconds. That means P time, the time taken by P is equal to 200 minus 2, that is 198 seconds. As simple as it is. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? Sorted? Next. A, B, C are 3 participants in a kilometer race. If A can give B a start of 40 meters and B can give C a start of 25 meters. Sir, what is happening? Sir, the total distance of the race is 1 kilometer, which is equal to 1000 meter. Yes or no? Now, between A and B, A giving head start of 40 meter, that means if A is running 1000 meter, B will be running 40 meter less than that. That is equal to 960 meter. Yes or no? 0 0 crossed out. Again, sir, 250 is a 100, 248 is a 96. Sir, again 225 is a 250, 224 is a 48. What is the ratio of A is to B? Sir, it is 24, 5 into 24. Now, B give a start of 25 meters to C. Now, sir, if B runs for 1000 meter, C will be running 25 meter less than that. That means 975 meter. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, that means here 5, let's start with 25. So 25, 4 is equal to 100, 0 here. 25, 3 is equal to 75. 75, then 2 to 5. 25, 9 is equal to 2 to 5. So what is the ratio? 40 into 39, B is to C. Sir, here A is to B is equal to 25 is to 24. Sir, B into C is equal to 40 is to 39. So sir, A is to B is to C will be 25, 24, 40, 39. Sir, I have to make this equal. Sir, what is the LCM of 24 and 40? Sir, 4 6 are 24. Sir, 4 10s are 40. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Sir, 5 2s are 10 plus 40, 120. Sir, if I multiply 5 over here, it will be 120. If I multiply 3 over here, it will be 120. But I have to multiply 3 in both sides. I have to multiply 5 in both sides. Sir, 25 into 5 is equal to 1 to 5. Sir, 25 3 into 40 is equal to 120, or 24 into 5 is equal to 120. Sir, 3 into 39 is equal to 117. That means when A is running 125 meter, B will be running 120 meter, and C will be running 117 meter. Now, what is the difference between A and C? Sir, 8 parts. Yes or no? But here it is saying a race of how many meters? Sir, 1 kilometer. That means, sir, this 125 part is equal to 1000 meter, which is equal to, one part will be equal to 1000 divided by 125. 125, 8 is equal to 1000. That means one part is equal to 8. So 8 parts will be 8 into 8, that is 64 meter. That means A will beat B by 64 meters, or A can give 64 meter head start to C, so that they will reach the race in time. Yes or no? Sorted. Very difficult question, but we break into very simple language. Next, in a kilometer race, A can give B 100 meter head start. B can give C a 60-second head start. If B runs 45 minutes per minute, B 45 minutes, 45 meter per minute, how much time in minutes can A give a start to C in the same race? Sir, the race is what? Sir, it is what is happening. Sir, between A and B, A is giving 100 meter start to B. That means A is running 1000 meter, B is running 900 meter. Sir, distance covered by B is 900 meter. B speed is 45 meter per minute. So, time taken by B is equal to the distance divided by the speed. 45 2s are 90, 0 here. That means B takes 20 minutes to reach the destination. Now, what it is saying? Sir, B can give C a 60-second start. B can give C a 60-second start. Yes or no? Yes. Now, before I proceed with B and C, understand this. Here what is happening? Sir, A here, B here. A gives B 100 meter head start. That means if B takes T minutes to reach here, the same time will be taken by A to reach here. It is only the difference of distance they covered in the same time. That means, sir, here A speed is equal to the distance A is covering 1000 meter in 20 minutes, which is equal to 0 0 crossed out, 2 5s are 10, 0, 50 meter per minute. What is A speed? Sir, 50 meter per minute. Now, what was happening? Sir, A was giving B a head start of how much? Sir, 100-meter head start was given. Yes or no? Sir, 100-meter head start was given. A can complete that thing. A can complete that same thing in 5 2s are 20. That means 2 minutes. So how much time given? A gives 2-minute head start to B. B gives 1-minute head start to C. So A give 2 plus 1, that is 3-minute head start to C. Because here what is happening? If A takes 3 hours to reach here, for example, A takes 300 seconds to reach here, B will take how long? Sir, 300 seconds plus 2 minutes, that is 120 seconds. C will take how long? Sir, C will take 300 seconds plus one more extra minute. So 300 seconds plus 120 seconds, that is 420 seconds taken by B, plus 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, which is equal to 480 seconds. So this is how you can find out A will give 3-minute head start to B. Clear? Sorted? Next. In a kilometer race, James beats Bond by 100 meter. Bond beats by John 200 meters. Sir, 3 persons are here: James, Bond, and John. Sir, when James is running 1000 meter, Bond is running 900 meter. Bond beats John by 200 meter. Sir, when Bond is running 1000 meter, John is running 800 meter. Yes or no? This is the reality. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, now 0, 0, 0, 0 crossed out. 0, 0, 0, 0 crossed out. What is remaining, sir? 10, 9, 10, 8. So here if I multiply 10, here if I multiply 9, it will be 100. 10 into 10, 100. 10 into 9, 90. 9 into 8, 72. That means when John's run 100 meter, Bond runs 90 meter and John runs 72 meter. Yes or no? That means by how many meters James beat John? Sir, 100 minus 72, that is 28 meter. This is for 100 meter race, but the race is of 1000 kilometer. Sir, in 100 meter it beats John by 28 meter. So in 1000 meter race, it will beat by 28 into 10, that is 280 meter. Clear? Very simple question to solve. Sorted? James can beat Bond by 5 meter in a 100 meter race. That means James here 100 meter running, Bond will run 5 meter less than that, that is 95. Bond can beat John by 10 meter in 200 meter race. That means when Bond races for 200 meter, John races 10 meter less than that, that is 190. Now I have to make both these things equal. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, what is the ratio here? 20, 19. Here 20, 19, because if I'm dividing by 19. Now if I multiply 20 over here, if I multiply 19 over here, what will be happening? 20 into 20 is equal to 400. 9 into 90 into 20 is equal to 380. 19 into 90 is equal to 361. So in a race of 400 meter, James will be running 400 meter and beating John by how many meters? Sir, 400 minus 361 is equal to 39 meter. So James will be beating John by 39 meter. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. Sir, Alice beats Maddie in a kilometer race by 50 seconds and Rex by 450 meters. Sir, what is happening? Sir, this is a race. Yes or no? Alice beats Maddie in a kilometer race by 50 seconds. That means this whole distance is 1 kilometer, which is equal to 1000 meter. Beats Maddie by 50 seconds. That means the time taken by Alice is equal to t plus 50 second by Maddie, and Rex by 450 meters. That means for the same time Rex will be running 1000 minus 450 is equal to 550 meter run by Rex. Yes or no? Sir, if Maddie and Rex ran a kilometer race, Maddie wins by 40 seconds. That means here if Maddie runs for 1 kilometer for t hour or t second, then Rex run 1 kilometer in t plus 40 second. Clear? Basic mathematics. Yes or no? Yes. Now here what we are seeing, sir, when Alice was running for t meter, Maddie was running for t plus 50 second. If Maddie is running for t plus 50 second, then this is Alice t second, Maddie t plus 50 second. So Rex will be run 40 seconds more than that. So t plus 50 plus 40 is equal to t plus 90 second. Yes or no? So this is the time taken by Rex. Yes or no? Yes. Now what is happening? So we know, sir, we know that t plus 90 second, if Rex runs, how long distance he will be covering? Sir, 1000 meter, because all these persons are covering 1000 meter. So this is the time taken by Rex to reach 1000 meter. Yes or no? If I say Rex runs for t second, because t plus 90 means 90 seconds head start given to Rex. T plus 90 means what? Alice gives 90 seconds head start to Rex. Yes or no? Now if Rex runs for t second, this means what? Rex is running 550 meter only through this original time, because in the same time Alice is beating Rex by 450 meters. See, I understand here there are three things to process. First, Alice is beating Maddie and Rex. Then second, Maddie is winning over Rex in 40 seconds. That's why it is bit complicated. It is being complex in nature, but it is easy to understand if we go line by line. See what happened here. A took t second to reach 1000 meter. Rex took t plus 90 second to reach 1000 meter. But if Rex run for t seconds, which was the original time, he would be 450 meter behind of Alice. That means in t second Rex will run 1000 minus 450, that is equal to 550 meter. Yes or no? That means from this particular information I can find out that this 450 second that this 450 meter that we are discussing will be covered by Rex in how many seconds? In 90 seconds. So 450 meter distance in second is equal to Rex speed. Yes or no? Sir, 0 crossed out, 9 5s are 45. So the speed of Rex is equal to 5 meter per second. If I have to change it into the kilometer, so it will be, sir, 1000, sorry, the time taken by, so 1000 meter at the rate of 5 meter per second, which is equal to 200 seconds. So Rex will take how much time to run 1 kilometer? It will take 200 seconds to reach 1 kilometer. What we did? First we understood that when Alice is running and he is taking t second, he is beating Maddie by 50 seconds. That means Maddie will be taking t plus 50 seconds and beating Rex by 450 meters. That means in t seconds, if Alice is running 1000 meter, Rex is running 1000 minus 450 meters, that is 550 meters. Then in the second information it was given, Maddie and Rex ran a kilometer race and Maddie won by 40 seconds. That means, for an example, if Maddie runs t second for 1 kilometer, then rakes will be running t plus 40 seconds for that kilometer. But here actually what is happening? This is an analogy. This is what? This is an analogy. But actually Maddie is running for how long? T plus 50 seconds. That means rakes will be taking 40 seconds more than that, which is equal to t plus 90 seconds. So in t plus 90 seconds, rakes will be reaching 1000 meter or covering 1000 meter. But rakes is covering 550 meter in t seconds, and from that we find out 5 for the remaining timing or the remaining distance 450 meter will be covered by rakes in 90 seconds, because that is the additional time. And from that we got the speed, and from that we got the timing. Clear? Sorted? Next. Here it is all about game points. See, I told you in 20 seconds we will be done with that linear race part. We are done. Yes, it is possible that 5 test seconds are, but it is okay, right? Now, here you need to understand basic clarity. What is the clarity? In a game of 100 points, A can give B 20 points. That means what? If a game is conducted for 100, A will be getting 100, B will be getting 20 points. That means B will be getting 80. C will be 28 points. That means C will be getting 100 minus 28, that is 72. Then how many points B can give to C? B can give to C means can give to is same as head start. Clear? So B is how many points ahead of C? 80 minus 72, that is 8. What is the answer? Option A. Clear? Next. In a game of 80 points is the total. A can give B 5 points. That means A getting 80 points, B is getting 80 minus 5, that is 75, and C 15 points. That means 18 minus 55 is equal to 65 points. That means in how many points of B can give C in a game of 75? Now understand, when the game was of 80, B was getting 75, C was getting 65. What is the ratio? Sir, 15 5s are 75, 13 5s are 65. So when B was 15, C is 13. Now it is saying the game is of 60 points. So 50 part is equal to 60, 1 part is equal to 60 by 15. Or you can say 1 part is equal to 4. So if 1 part is equal to 4, this 13 part will be 13 into 4, that is 52. So when B is 60, C is what? 52. What is the difference? 60 minus 52 is equal to 8. So in a game of 60 points, B gives C by 8 points. Clear? Yes or no? Got it? So this is how you can answer the game points questions. Done? Sorted? Next. This is circular race. Now, linear race seems a bit difficult, but it is already defined. The same way, what I'm saying, the same way, circular race is also defined. It is all about what? It is, sir, all about understanding the language. Once you understand the language, nothing is tough for you, because you know what is what and what is not. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, understand this carefully. See, circular race means once the track is in circular shape. Yes or no? Yes. Now, if I say P and Q are running in the same direction, that means if P is running in this direction, Q will be running in this direction. Or if P is running in this direction, Q will be running in this direction. Yes or no? This is what? This is same direction. If I say they are running in opposite direction, that means if this is the circular track, if P runs this side, Q will be running this side. If Q run this side, P will be running this side. Sorted? Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now, when we are discussing about same direction or opposite direction, it matters less. But what matters more is that Here, when they are running in the same direction and the length of the track is equal to L meter, for an example, L meter, then they both will meet for the first time. L, length of track, divided by speed of P minus speed of Q. Clear? Very simple. Yes or no? But when they are running, in the same direction or opposite direction, that means what? If I have to break this circular track, it will be what? Simple line. That means from this point, what was happening? From this point, they are running towards each other. Yes or no? Now, this means the time taken to meet both for the first time is equal to length divided by speed of P plus speed of Q. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, second, sorry, this is first, this is second. When they will meet at the starting point, when they will meet at the starting point, LCM of L by speed of A is, sorry, P is what? Speed. Q is speed of Q, okay, divided by LCM of L by P and L by Q. Here what will be happening? Sir, here if they are running in opposite direction at the starting point, the formula is still same. LCM of L by A, L by B. Clear? Basic terminology. See, these are the most important part. These are the most important part. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now, if it says, if while solving such questions, if it says how many different times they will meet, that completely depends on what? The number of revolution they will make in that particular circular track. Now it asks about how many distinct points they will meet, then they are running in same direction, then it will be difference of ratio of speed. If they are running in opposite direction, then it will be sum of ratio of speed. How to use it, I will tell you, but remember this fact. Now we'll start with the questions as quickly as possible so that you understand all these things. Very carefully and clearly. So first question, one day James and Bond are running in a circular track of length 1200 meter. Sir, L is equal to 1200 meter. The speed of their running is 45 kilometer and 27 kilometer. James 45 kilometer per hour, Bond 27 kilometer per hour. After how much time they will meet for the first time at the starting point if they are running in the same direction? Sir, they are running in the same direction. Now they will be meet at the starting point, that is L by A, LCM of L by A and LCM of L by B. But sir, here all units should be in the same units, that is all should be in meter per second. Sir, 45 kilometer per hour, which can be written as 45 into 5 by 18. Sir, 6 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 45. 5 into 5 is equal to 125. Sorry, 5 into 5 is equal to 25 divided by 2. Now 27 can be written as 27 into 5 by 18. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 3 into 5 is equal to 15 divided by 2. Now what it is told? Sir, for the first time means LCM of distance, that is 1200 divided by 25 by 2 and 1200 divided by 15 by 2. Sir, this can be written as LCM of 1200 into 2, that is 2400 divided by 25. This is 2400 divided by 15. LCM of a fraction means LCM of this divided by HCF of this. Sir, LCM of 2400 divided by HCF of 2515. Sir, this will be 2400. Sir, this will be 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4 8s are 40. 0. So they will be meeting at the starting point when? After 480 seconds of starting the race. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Now, for an example, this was the race. Okay, this was the racing track. Now they meet after 480 seconds. When they will be meet again? So again after next 480 seconds, that means after 960 seconds they will meet. Then again after 480 seconds, that means 480 multiply by n, they will be meeting for the nth time at starting point. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the basic you need to understand. Clear? Sorted? Next. One day, James and Bond are running on a circular track of length this much. Now what is happening? Here it is happening, they are running in the opposite direction. Now, what I have told you in the very beginning, even if it is in opposite direction, the value is same, LCM of L by A, L by B. So what is the answer? Sir, 480 seconds. Clear? Is there any doubt over here? No, right? One day James and Bond are running on a circular track of length 1200 meter. The speed of the running was 45 km per hour, 27 km per hour. After how much time they will meet? See, what is happening? First thing we need to understand. James and Bond running on the track. L is equal to 1200 meter. The speed, James 45, which is equal to 45 into 5 by 18. 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 45, which is equal to 25 by 2 meter per second. Bond, sir, 27 km per hour. So it is 27 into 5 by 18. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 3 into 5 is equal to 15 by 2 meter per second. Now what is happening? They are running in the same direction and they were meeting for the first time. Sir, what is the theory? Sir, for the first meeting, theory is equal to distance by speed of A minus speed of B. That is distance, that is 1200 meter divided by 25 by 2 minus 15 by 2, which can be written as 1200 divided by 2 LCM, 25 minus 15, which can be written as 1200 into 2 divided by 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. 0 0 crossed out, 120 to 2 is equal to 240 seconds. So they will meet for the first time 240 seconds. For the second time, so if this is a circular track, they started here in the same direction, they are meeting after 240 seconds. Then again after 240 seconds they will meet, that is after 480 seconds. Then again after 240 seconds they will meet, that means 720 seconds. So this is how they will be meeting. So nth meeting will be when n multiply by L by speed of A minus speed of B. So this is when they will be meeting for the nth time. So in order to find nth meeting, here if it says when they will meet for the fifth time, so they will meet for the fifth time after 5 into 240 seconds, that is 1200 seconds. Clear? So this is how you can directly find the answer. Next. Sir, James and Bond running the circular track length of 1200 meter. Speed of their running is 45 km per hour, 27 km per hour. After how much time they will meet for the first time if they are running in opposite direction? In opposite direction, first meeting is equal to L by speed of A plus speed of B. Sir, L 1200 meter, speed of A 20 by 5 by 2, speed of B 15 by 2, because we have find out here. Now 1200 divided by 2 LCM, 25 plus 15. Sir, this can be written as 1200 into 2 divided by 40, 0 0 crossed out, 4 3s are 12, 0 here, 30 into 2 is equal to 60 seconds. So if this is a circular track and they are starting from here, A is running this way, B is running this way, that means they will meet for the first time after 60 seconds here. Then again after 60 seconds, that is 120 seconds here. They both are running in opposite direction, but still they will be meeting after 60 seconds gap. So 180 seconds, then 240 seconds, then 300 seconds, so on. Yes or no? Yes. So nth meeting will happen when n into distance by speed of A plus speed of B. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? So this is how you can calculate the basic questions of circular running. Now, two persons started running on a circular track simultaneously with a speed of 20 meter per second, 30 meter per second in opposite direction. If the circumference of the circular track is 100 meter, that means the length is given 100 meter. Then find out how many distinct points they will cross each other. Now, remember all this. Number of distinct points is equal to number of distinct point is equal to, in same direction it is difference of ratio of speed, in opposite direction it is sum of ratio of speed. So here what is the, it is opposite direction, yes or no? So it is sum of ratio of speed. What is the speed, sir? 20 and 30. What is the ratio? 0 0 crossed out, that is 2:3. So number of distinct points is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5. Answer 5. You can cross verify any possible way you want, but this will be the answer. Sorted? Next. One day, James and Bond are running on a circular track of length of 1200 meter. The speed of their running was 4 meter per second and 1 meter per second. That means length 1200 meter, James running for 4 meter per second, Bond running for 1 meter per second. Whenever they meet, James halves his speed and Bond doubles his speed. After how much time will they meet for the third time if they are running in the opposite direction? Now understand this. First thing is they are running in opposite direction. So what is the relative speed? 4 plus 1, that is 5 seconds. So the time taken by both to meet first time is equal to distance 1200 divided by total speed, that is 5, which is equal to 240 seconds. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, when they are first meeting, this is the time. Now, in the second case, after they meet, James speed is getting halved. That means 4 will be 2. So gem speed is now 2. Bond speed is doubled, so 1 is now 2. Yes or no? So now the time taken by them to meet again, L divided by speed, that is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 3s are 12, 0 0, that is 300 seconds. So after 300 seconds they will be meeting. Then for the third time what will happen? Gem speed will be halved, so half of 2 is equal to 1. And B, bond speed will be doubled, that is 2 will be 4. So the time taken by them will be total track distance divided by total speed. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, which is equal to 240 seconds. That means they will first meet at 240 seconds, then after 300 seconds they will meet second time, then after 240 seconds they will be meeting third time. So third meeting will happen after 240 second plus 300 second plus 240 second, which is equal to 780 second. So after 780 seconds they will be meeting for the third time. Clear? So guys, this is all about the race. Through this lecture you can always attempt all the basic questions, all the moderate questions, and a bit of advanced level questions. Yes, few questions will be in advanced section, or you can say if questioner wants to make it very tough, he can play with the words and make it calculative. Otherwise everything will be as it is. Okay, so I hope you will complete all the classes with this, and from tomorrow we'll be starting with geometry with full forces. So see you in the next class.